بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 8. We are in the course of model, exponents, and scientific notation. We will continue our work in the second lesson, multiply and divide monomials. Multiply and divide monomials. We'll start from the example 2 here. Multiply algebraic powers. Multiply algebraic powers. I want from all to write this title, please, in your notebook. Multiply algebraic powers. Write the title at the first, multiply algebraic powers, then write the example, simplify c exponent 3 times c exponent 5. Then try to simplify it. Then tell me what is your answer. Great answer. Who has different answer? Okay, Fatima, what is your answer? Great. 5. Great. Aliazia, what is your answer? So we can use the rule directly because here we have the same base, here C and here C. So the rule said when you want to multiply between two variables with the same base, add the exponents. So 3 plus 5 will be C exponent 8. C exponent 8. Who has any question here? Clear for all? You wrote the answer? Okay. The next example. The same idea, multiply algebraic powers. Please write this question. Simplify a exponent 3 times a exponent 4. Then tell me what is your answer. Great, Afra, great. Who has different answer? A exponent 7. Yes, right, the same. A exponent 7. Okay, have your problem in this platform. So we have a exponent 3 times a exponent 4. So the answer will be a exponent 3 plus 4 because we have the same base. So the answer will be A exponent 7. A exponent 7. Do you have any question here? Example 3. Now we want to multiply monomials. We want to multiply monomials. As you remember, what's the meaning of monomials? Number or variable or product between number and variable. And the monomial just one term, just one term. So I want from all to write this title, please. Multiply monomials. Then write this example. Simplify minus 3x squared times 4x exponent 5. Then try to find the answer. Then tell me what is the answer. Repeat, please. 7. The answer will be 7. Okay, thank you, Afra. Who has different answer? Seven. Thank you. 5. Who has different answer? Okay, listen to me. When you want to multiply monomials, start from the signs. Start from the signs. Here we have minus, here we have positive. Minus times positive, minus or negative. Then start from the numbers. 3 times 4, 3 times 4, 12. Then multiply the variables. As you see here, the variables have the same base. Means you can use the rule. So x exponent 2 times x Okay, the first step, remember always when you want to multiply monomials, start from the signs. Minus times minus will be positive. Minus times minus will be positive. Then the numbers 2 times 8 will be 16. Then the variable. M exponent 1 times M exponent 5 will be M exponent 1 plus 5 means 6. So the answer will be 16 M exponent 6. Finished? Quotient of powers. Quotient means the result of the division. The result of the division. How can you simplify a quotient of powers with like bases? With like bases. So the idea now, we want to learn the quotient of powers. The quotient of powers. Watch this video, please.
You can simplify the quotient of powers with the same base.
As you see here, we have divide 3 exponent 6 by 3 exponent 2. As you see here, we have 3, here we have 3, means we have the same base. We have the same base.
Write 3 to the 6th power as a product of factors.
And the exponent here 6, the exponent here 2. What the meaning of 3 exponent 6? Means 3 repeated 6 times. Means we have 6 factors. We have 6 factors.
Write 3 squared as a product of factors.
Then what is the meaning of 3 exponent 2? Means 3 repeated 2 times. Means we have 2 factors. 2 factors.
Divide out common factors.
So we can cancel 2 3 up with 2 3s down. It means 1 2 3 4.
And simplify. 4 factors of 3 remain in the numerator. So the quotient is 3 to the 4th power.
So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 will be what? Will be 3 exponent 4. Means when you want to divide, you can subtract the exponent if you have the same base. If you have the same base. So 6 minus 2 will be what? Will be 4.
Notice that the difference of the exponents in the original powers is the exponent in the final quotient. You can divide powers with the same base.
طيب, who can tell me here what is the answer? X exponent 4. 10 minus 6, 4. Will
Base by subtracting the exponents. The quotient is x to the fourth power.
oh. So what is the rule? Write please this line. To divide powers with the same base, subtract their exponent. The title quotient of powers. The title quotient of powers. Then here we have algebraic rule. A exponent m divided by A exponent n. As you see here, we have the same base, here A and here A. So the rule said A exponent m minus n, where A not equal 0. Write this algebraic rule. Finished? But here we have example. Suppose we have 3 exponent 7 divided by 3 exponent 3. As you see, we have the same base here. Here up 3 and down 3. So the rule said write the same base, then subtract the exponents. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 will be 4. So the answer will be 3 exponent 4. 3 exponent 4. Who has any question here? Clear? Finished? Finished, Akra? Okay, question or example 4. Write the title here. Divide algebraic powers. Then write this question. Simplify x exponent 8 divided by x exponent 2. Then try to find the answer, please. The title, divide algebraic powers. Then write the question, simplify x exponent 8 divided by x exponent 2. Great, Fatima, who has different answer? Great, Farah. Great, right? So as you see here, we have divide and we have the same base. So we can use the rule to find the quotient here. So write the same base, x, then subtract between the exponent 8 minus 2 will be x, 8 minus 2 will be 6, x exponent 6. Who has any question here? Great. The same idea here. Divide the algebraic powers. And here, write this question, please. Which expression in the simplified form of x exponent 10 over x exponent 3? Is it number A or B or C or D? Fatima said D. Who has different answer? The same answer? So 10 minus 3 will be 7. So will be D. Great. Finish. Divide, right, please the title here. Divide numerical powers. Write the question here, simplify. We have 2 exponent 5 times 3 exponent 5 times 5 exponent 2 divided by 2 exponent 2 multiply by 3 exponent 4 multiply by 5 exponent 1. Then try to find the answer. Okay, thank you, Naba. Thank you, Afra. Who has different answers? Thank you, Fatima. Sorry. Okay. And here, if I cannot do it mentally, I can do this method. Take the powers who has the same base. As you see here, 2, here 2. So write here 2 exponent 5, and here 2 exponent 2. Then here, as you see, we have 3 and here 3. So take here 3 exponent 5, and here 3 exponent 4. Then here we have the base 5 and here the base 5. So write here x exponent 2, and here x, here 5 exponent 2, and here we have 5 means 5 exponent 1. Then we can use the rule now because we have the same base. And here 2 and here 2. The rule said subtract the exponents. 5 minus 2 will be 3. So it means by the same base, then 5 minus 2 will be 3. times. Here we have the same base also, so write the same base. Then subtract. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Then here we have 5 and here we have 5. So write the same base 5. Then 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the answer will be 2 exponent 3 multiply by 3. 3 exponent 1 means 3 multiply by 5. Now 3 times 5 will be 15. So we can write the answer 15 times 2 exponent 3. Who has any question here? Finished? But I will stop it here. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll continue. So this is our video today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.